Okay, Honda ELD fault, Electronic Load Detector. There it is. Here's the new one. Step number 1 is remove your hot post on your battery. 10mm wrench. It's pretty simple. Step 2, remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set this up here. Careful not to mix them up. Lift the load detector. There it is. Disconnect your load detector by pressing the tab, pulling it up. And install your new one onto the bar. But you may want to verify that you don't have any corrosion, which I don't. Put it back in there. Snap your connector back in place. Drop your 2 fuses in there. Tighten your screws back up. Okay. Reinstall your battery cable. Super easy. And that should clear out your ELD faults.